especially by the attendance of this meeting, where I've seen so many people, all the elected people, almost 100% of us are here. From Kano, from Bauchi, from Jigawa, and the other states are all represented here. And this shows really that our party is united. And that is why also people are making some claims against this party. For me, I believe that silence is the best answer to a fool. Even though the fools are benefiting because they are collecting a lot of money from the enemies of the people in this country. And that's the only game. Even themselves, they knew to start this meeting on time. I'm sure all of you are aware of the book and of course library launched by our leader General Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida. We thought we could finish by 1 o'clock, but unfortunately we couldn't finish. And there was no way we could get out of the place before the closure there. So we apologize to all of you, especially friends from INEC who have always been coming here on time. So on behalf of all of us, I would like to thank INEC for taking their responsibilities very